Hi, today I will show you how to set up YouTube notification. So when you upload a video, your viewers in your server will receive a notification. Make sure not to skip the video. However, before we start, I want you guys to join my Discord server for decors like banners, dividers, PNG, GIF, and many more. Not only that, we even have different kinds of layouts. We don't want you to go through the trouble of finding decors and layouts yourself. Instead, we will find it for you. The server also has many other channels like Genshin Impact, and it's a family-friendly community that has around 6,700 members. So make sure you join up now. Let's get started. First you need YAGPDG bot. I know that I use MEE6 bot. Sadly, I can't show you that because MEE6 made that feature premium. But anyway, go to your server settings. Make sure that this bot is above all the roles with admin perm. Now the second thing you need to make sure is to create YouTube ping role. This will ping your viewers when you drop a video. Make sure this role doesn't have any dangerous perms. One thing you must have noticed here is, I have a YouTube notification channel. You also need to create a separate channel like I did, and give the same perms I did. Make sure the members here only have view channel perm. Don't allow them to send messages. Since all the housekeeping is out of the way, let's go to the bot's dashboard. Here you need to first log in with your Discord account and select your respective server. Now on the left-hand side, click Notifications and Feeds, drop down, and click YouTube. Here you will find many options. Just start following me. As you may have noticed, I have already created a layout. Join my Discord server to get this layout. It's an other layout channel. After pasting the layout, you must have noticed what the hell is at and role ID. Don't worry, I will show you. First go to server settings, then go back to YouTube ping role and copy the role ID. Now just paste it in that variable. This will mention the role. Now scroll down and add YouTube channel link. If you don't know how to get your YouTube channel link, just go to your channel page and copy the link. And while you are at it, subscribe to my channel would be dream come true. Here you can add your channel. The one we created. Important message, don't enable this button. It will ping everyone. However, you can pick the role you want to ping. I know we did this before, but this is another way. If you do live stream or create shorts, you can enable these two buttons too. Once everything is done, click save and voila. Sadly, I can't show you how it works because you need to post a video on YouTube channel to make it work. So that's not possible. However, anyway, if you like my video, hit that like and subscribe button, so my video will get into algorithm and people who need this video will get it. Take care.